12 steps of hand washing, the right way to wash your hands and stop the spread of germs. Have you ever wondered if you're really washing your hands the right way? Most people wash their hands for only a few seconds and skip important areas where germs hide. But proper hand washing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect yourself and others from illnesses like the common cold, flu, food poisoning, and many other infections. In today's video, I'll show you the 12 essential steps of hand washing, explain why each step matters, and share simple tips that can help keep you and your family healthy. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-understand health tips. Let's get started. Step 1. Wet your hands. Start by placing your hands under clean, running water. The water can be warm or cold. Running water helps remove dirt and prepares your skin for the soap. Avoid washing your hands in a bowl of standing water because germs can remain in the water. Step 2. Apply soap. Apply enough soap to cover all surfaces of both hands. Soap breaks down oils and dirt where germs hide. It also helps lift bacteria and viruses away from the skin so they can be rinsed away. Both liquid soap and bar soap are effective when used correctly. Step 3. Rub palm to palm. Rub your palms together to create a rich lather. Continue rubbing for several seconds. This begins loosening dirt and germs from the largest surfaces of your hands. Step 4. Clean the back of your hands. Place one palm over the back of the other hand and rub thoroughly. Switch hands and repeat. Many people forget this area, allowing germs to remain on the back of their hands. Step 5. Clean between your fingers. Interlock your fingers and rub between them. These narrow spaces easily trap dirt, sweat, and germs. Be sure to clean every gap between each finger. Step 6. Clean the back of your fingers. Bend your fingers and rub the backs of your fingers against your opposite palm. This removes germs from an area that is often missed during quick hand washing. Step 7. Clean your thumbs. Wrap one hand around the opposite thumb and rotate. Repeat on the other thumb. Your thumbs touch many surfaces during the day, making them one of the most frequently missed parts of the hand. Step 8. Clean fingertips and under the nails. Rub your fingertips in the palm of your opposite hand using a circular motion. This helps clean underneath your fingernails, where dirt and bacteria often collect. If your nails are visibly dirty, use a nail brush when available. Step 9. Wash your wrists. Rub around each wrist thoroughly. Although wrists are often forgotten, they can also carry germs, especially after touching contaminated surfaces. Step 10. Rinse thoroughly. Hold your hands under clean running water. Rinse away all soap, dirt, and loosened germs. Continue rinsing until no soap remains. Step 11. Dry your hands. Dry your hands completely using a clean towel, paper towel, or an air dryer. Wet hands spread germs more easily than dry hands. Proper drying is just as important as washing. Step 12. Turn off the tap safely. If possible, use a paper towel to turn off the faucet. This helps prevent your clean hands from touching a surface that may still contain germs. If the faucet is automatic, simply allow it to shut off by itself. How long should you wash? The entire washing process should last at least 20 seconds. An easy way to measure this is by slowly singing the Happy Birthday song twice. Taking those extra seconds greatly improves how many germs are removed. When should you wash your hands? Wash your hands before preparing food, before eating, after using the toilet, after changing diapers, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose, after touching animals, after handling garbage, after returning home from public places, before and after caring for someone who is sick, before treating a cut or wound. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people make simple mistakes that reduce the effectiveness of hand washing. These include washing for less than 20 seconds, forgetting the thumbs, missing fingertips and under the nails, not cleaning between the fingers, not drying hands completely, touching the faucet with clean hands. Avoiding these mistakes makes your hand washing much more effective. Final thoughts. Hand washing may seem like a simple habit, but it is one of the strongest defenses against the spread of disease. By following these 12 steps every time you wash your hands, you can reduce the spread of harmful germs, protect your loved ones, and support a healthier community. Small daily habits often make the biggest difference. And that's it, the 12 essential steps of proper hand washing. Remember, washing your hands correctly takes only about 20 seconds, but it can help prevent the spread of harmful germs, protect you, your family, and your community.